Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to send international payments with Zelle. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Zelle account, which of course I've done right here. I'd like you to know that Zelle is a great way to send money to friends and family, even if they bank somewhere different than you do. That means it's super easy to get paid back as per the cost of things like dinner. With Zelle, the money goes directly into your bank account, and when money goes into your bank account directly, you can live delightfully. Zelle has already lots of banking apps, so look for it in yours today. So now that we know a bit of what Zelle is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to send international payments with Zelle. The first thing you need to do is to sign up to Zelle. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar, which is at the top corner. So click on the search bar and type in zellepay.com. And that's going to take you into the official website for Zelle, which is what we're looking at right now. So check the top right corner of your screen and click on Get Started for you to create your account. After creating your account, let's hop into today's text, which is how to send money internationally using Zelle. Can you send money internationally using Zelle? Of course not. No, you can't, because Zelle services domestic money transfers only. This means it can only be used to send and receive funds to someone who has a bank account within the United States. If you need to send an international wire transfer, visit any United States bank branch. You will need the following information. Number one, the receiving bank's information, which include the bank SWIFT code, their name and address, and you also need the beneficiary information, which includes the recipient's name, account number, and address. So that's it. You cannot transfer money internationally because Zelle is used within banks in the United States. It's specifically designed for the United States. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.